Before us, there was rhythm in the earth, in the spirit. Hear the echoes from the past, voices built to always last. Every step upon this ground carries history in its sound.